Everyone knows that time is money, especially in the auto repair business. Alpha Warranty Services is committed to helping you save more of both by providing an easier way to submit Alpha Warranty auto repair claims. In this short video demonstration, we'll be showing you how to submit your customers' claims online through alphawarranty.com. This feature is available 24/7, allowing you to start the claims process anytime. So let's get started. Open a browser and pull up alphawarranty.com. On the home screen, click the dark blue Submit Claim button in the top right corner of the page. You'll see a pop-up appear with two options. Since you're a repair facility, you can choose between submitting a new claim or following up on an existing claim. For this demo, we'll select Submit a New Claim. The next screen provides options to help locate the Alpha Warranty customer. You'll need either the customer's contract number, which can be found on the actual contract, or the contract holder's last name and last 6 digits of the VIN. You can then begin the claims submission process. We'll use a sample contract number. This screen shows the 4 easy steps required to submit the claim. We'll start with some information about the customer. Note that all fields are required, and many are pulled from the customer's contract. Be sure to include the customer's phone number, current odometer, your repair order number, along with the date. Then click Next. Here, you'll provide some information about your shop. If you've worked with Alpha Warranty before, please select Yes and start entering your shop's name or phone number in the search field. You can then select your repair shop from the list provided and complete the fields needed. If you've not worked with Alpha Warranty, click No and enter the information shown. Be sure you provide your name and email or an appropriate contact for your shop in case we need to reach out regarding the claim. Once you've input the information, click Next. This screen will allow you to tell our claims team about the vehicle's condition. Notice the optional blue button where, if you would like, you may upload a copy of the estimate you've prepared. Next, you provide as much detail about the job as possible. The more information our claims team has, the faster they'll be able to understand and respond to the claim request. There are 3 green buttons next to Parts, Labor, and Diagnosis, where you'll be able to add additional parts, labor time, or diag time as needed. If multiple repairs are needed to the same vehicle, please use the Add Job button to add another job with associated parts, labor, and diag time. Once you've completed this section, click Next. There's also a back button in case you need to return to a previous screen. The final screen is where you can review the claim information one last time before you submit it. Note that you can attach additional documents that may be helpful, such as inspection results, pictures, maintenance records, and even the estimate, if you did not attach it earlier in the process. Once you're satisfied that all is in order, click Submit, and that's it. The claim is passed digitally to the Alpha Warranty claims team. They'll review it and provide an official response with any follow-up questions if needed. We hope you've been able to see how efficient and easy the online claim submission process is. We invite you to test it out and use it for all your claims with Alpha Warranty Services going forward. Thank you.